Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself offline to your friends on Roblox. So go to More here, go to Settings, and go to Privacy. And then here, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to select No One for all of it. No, and No One. I know like probably just the update friends about my activity and this one, but just like not no for everything, so it's easier that way, just to be more safe as well. And that's how you can make yourself offline on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That's how you can be offline on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!